show you how you can add text to your videos. So let's load a video here. I'm just gonna pick this one, and this is a 20-second video. I have no text on it, and basically I'm gonna show you two flavors of adding text. The first one is when you have text on the bottom not moving, so case of a subtitle or caption. And the second flavor of text is when it's scrolling. Okay, so let's start with just having text on the bottom. So basically I go to add text, and I already have some text here, so I'm just gonna copy this one, and actually what I did is I clicked on this box. So after you click on add text, you get this window, and then you click on this box, and that's where you're gonna enter your text, right? Since I already have copied my text from Notepad, just gonna paste it here. The font that I have here is 9, which is what I usually choose for subtitles. It's a matter of choice. You can have, larger font, but you should be familiar with everything here. They are the same as what you have in Word document from Microsoft. So you have a list of font types. You have the font size. You have, you can make it. You can make your bold text. You can make your text bold. So let's do that. Actually, it's already bold. So don't get misled, because this text here you see here in one line, it will not be in one line on your movie. So let me show you that. There is no close button on this window, so I just click outside that window, so I can get rid of that window. Now I forget to drag the movie to track 1, the original movie. When I created this text, which is here on kind of an image, which is gonna be turned into a video, I'm gonna show you that. You see here on the top I have image, which is what I have here, where the text is. The text is on an image, right? But if I go back to video, I'm gonna have my original video, right? So this is what I should have done at the beginning. Well, you can do it here, no problem. Yeah, you drag your video all the way to track 1. So now if I go back to my image, right where my text is, right here, what I do is I drag this one, but I'm not gonna put it on track 1, just a little bit over track 1, and it's gonna create a new track. It's gonna call it video track 2. Video track 2. So it's not an image anymore now. Now it is a video, right? So you can move this video anywhere where this text, let's just call it text, anywhere in the video, which means that it can start anywhere in your video, right? So, you know, let's say I want this text to start exactly after 2 seconds, right? So if I go all the way here in the beginning, right, and you see there, you see if I click on the red one, I'm looking for 2 seconds there. That's the 2 second mark, right? That's the line of 2 seconds. So I can drag this video, so the start of this text, I should say, not video, is aligned with the red line. Now, I did mention this. You see how the text now is, you don't see all of it. Let's play it. Let's play it. You see, you don't see all the text. So that's why I said this is misleading. It looks like one line will fit in this video, but not the case. So what you do is just, click on or press on enter from your keyboard, make it 2 lines, right? Now it's gonna look readable. Let's play it. Okay, now this starts exactly after 2 seconds, right? The text starts exactly after 2 seconds and the movie continue. And I can add more subtitle or text. The same principle applies. I can click on add text. It's gonna create like similar to what you have seen before, like an image, put the text that I want, and then drag. It will be a second text. See here it says text clip. It will be a second one, and I can drag it, put it in track 2, right? Track 2. So I hope you get my you understood how we add text. Now let's do the scroll. Okay, same thing, exactly same thing, right? I click on add text. You see how I have now a second image, and on this image let me just say please subscribe, right? Let's just leave it that. And I want it to scroll from right to left, so I have this feature here. See how it says no scrolling? That's because before I want the text not to be scrolling. Now that I want it to be scrolling from right to left, then I just select scroll right to left, and that's about it. I can talk to you about these other features here later on. Let's do this, the scrolling, and see how it works. Now see how it automatically placed my second text clip, that's what they call it, into track 2, right? And I can move it anywhere. This subscribe can move it anywhere. Now by default it's 3 seconds, and the speed of which that text will be moving in your video, well, it can be too fast. So if you want to slow it down, you just increase the duration of this text clip. the only way and the way you can increase the duration is just grab it from the right. You see how it's increasing now? But let's leave it 3 seconds, the default, and let's play it and see how fast it goes. I think it's a little bit fast. I can still read it, but it's not comfortable. So let's increase that, double. So maybe I have 6 seconds here. Whatever I have, let's see how it slowed down. Much better. All right, and okay. So let's start all the way from the beginning and play the movie and see both text. The first one, that is just like a subtitle. The second one, that is scrolling. Thank you for watching my video, and hope you have learned how you can add text. Thanks again.